Describe these actions in Spanish.
Hola, I'm sure this lesson won't make you yawn. To yawn in Spanish is bostezar. Bostezar. Also remember, in Latin America you can pronounce bostezar. So both are correct. Estoy todo el rato bostezando. Estoy todo el rato bostezando. No está bien bostezar en clase. No está bien bostezar en clase.
Jesús.
Gracias. Yes, to sneeze is estornudar. Estornudar. By the way, in Spanish we have two ways of saying bless you. One can be Jesús and the other can be salud. Voy a estornudar. Voy a estornudar. No te aguantes el estornudo. No te aguantes el estornudo. The state where you keep falling asleep and you don't want to, like this, we call it dar cabezadas. Dar cabezadas. Remember, cabeza is head. So, dar cabezadas is when you are falling asleep and you don't want to. Di cabezadas durante la clase. Di cabezadas durante la clase. Dar cabezadas mientras conduces es peligroso. Dar cabezadas mientras conduces es peligroso. Oh no. Hiccup in Spanish is hipo. So you can say tener hipo. Tener hipo. In ancient Greek, hippos is horse. So the sound we make when tenemos hipo is like a horse, imitating the sound of a horse. Hip, hip. Do you think horset imitates the sound of a hiccup or no? Comment down below. He tenido hipo durante una hora. He tenido hipo durante una hora. ¿Cómo paro de tener hipo? ¿Cómo paro de tener hipo? A long breath you take when you are worried is suspiro in Spanish, and the verb is suspirar. Suspirar. So, to sigh is suspirar. Mi madre vio mi habitación y suspiró. Mi madre vio mi habitación y suspiró. ¿Por qué suspiras? ¿Por qué suspiras? So in today's video, we have introduced 5 daily actions in Spanish. If you want to keep learning Spanish with us, please subscribe to this channel and hit the like button if you find this useful. We'll come back soon with another lesson. Nos vemos pronto en Español TV. Gracias, adiós.